Hello, financial fans. Another week has gone by, and my portfolio for the year to date, the value of my portfolio down 10.21%. So that's not good, but it's better than some other indexes are doing. The SPY, spiders, the S&P 500 stocks, that's down 15.6% for the year. Diamonds, that's the Dow 30 stocks. They were doing pretty well last week. Their year to date is they're down 11.88%. The Dow 30 down 11.88% for the year thus far. And the IOO, that's the 100 NASDAQ worldwide stocks, is down. NASDAQ is down 14.9% for the year. So I am ahead of all the indexes as far as the amount I am down being less than the other indexes. I am down 10.21%, so it's still not a good year, but I still think it's going to get better. I did not buy or sell any stocks this past 7-day period. So with that in mind, we'll take a look at some stocks that might be on some people's buy lists. I am not a financial advisor, and any money you put into the stock market you can lose. But there are always bargains out there. If you get in when the stock is low, when nobody wants it, when everybody's running toward the door, you come in and buy. That's how the money is made in the stock market, and I'm not telling you to buy any of these stocks, but these look inviting. If I were a person looking for a bargain, I would look at the numbers that I'm about to give you, beginning with Meta platform. It used to be Facebook. Now the symbol is META, and on Friday being the 9th of September of 2022. Closed at 169.15, went down another penny after that. Its current price is $169.14 per share. This is Facebook, now known as Meta, M-E-T-A. And look at the column on the left, two-thirds of the way down, 52-week range, $154.25 was the low, so it's getting down there near the low. The high was very high, $381.75 per share, so it's got a lot of room to move upward, perhaps, we shall see. The average volume, 28 million shares. That's a lot of shares when you consider the price is $169 per share. 28 million shares trading every day. The experts consider Meta to be near fair value. The PE ratio for a stock it's as big and as well known as Meta or Facebook, PE ratio is not too bad, 13.33, which is lower than most stocks that are being sold on the stock market list of stocks to be sold, and PE ratio being 13.33 is not too bad. I would prefer for it to be lower, but I'll keep a watch on it. Forward dividend and yield not applicable. They do not pay a dividend. A 1-year target estimate, $235.77. That would be a nice move upward from its $169 current price. Next we look at Glaxosmithkline Gsk is the symbol, and it closed at $31.89, went up a little bit after hours to $31.97 per share. The 52-week range, $30.83 was the low, so it's near its low. $46.97 was the high. Average volume, 6 million, about 400,000 shares trade every day, and this stock is considered to be near fair value. Look at the beta. This stock doesn't move up or down very much regardless of what the market is doing. If you want some calm seas to travel on in your adventures in the stock market, 0.18 beta. The PE ratio 12, which is closer to 10 than Meta was, but that's still not bad for GSK, Glaxosmithkline pharmaceutical company, a big name in the field of pharmaceuticals. Forward dividend yield, nice, 7.84%, almost enough to keep up with inflation, and that's a good dividend to be receiving while you're hoping the stock goes up in value. The one-year target being $54.29, which would be a huge move upward for GSK. Next, we look at a financial stock. Hsbc is the symbol, and it's Hsbc Holdings. The price after hours, $31 per share. 52-week range, $24.31 to $38.61, so it's sort of setting in the middle of its 52-week range. Average volume, 2,700,000 shares traded every day. This stock is indeed considered to be undervalued. The PE ratio, under 10, 9.22, and the forward dividend yield, my lucky number is 4. Look at that, 4.44% is the yield that you would get if you're holding on to HSBC, hoping for it to go up to its one-year target of $46.04. And the last stock we look at today, Pfizer Pfe, very big name in pharmaceuticals. $47.96 after hours. That's the price per share. And we look at the column on the left, 2/3 of the way down, 52-week range, $40.94 was the low and $61.71 was the high, so it's in the middle there of its 52-week range. The average volume, 18,700,000 shares trade every day, and this stock is considered to be near fair value. The PE ratio, 9.31, that's under 10. I like that. Forward dividend and yield, 3.34, about 3 1/3% is the dividend you'd receive while holding on to that, waiting for the stock value to increase to $58 and a penny. That would be nice. And I thank you very much for watching.